Hello everyone and welcome to the first video in our series on how to code Armstrong. If you're here, that means you successfully completed the building part. Congrats on that! If you're new to circuit blocks, you'll have to create an account, use your CircuitMess account if you already have one, or link it to your Google account. You can find the video explaining how to use circuit blocks in the description. Let's get started. Make sure your Armstrong is connected to the PC, click on the new sketch and you're good to go. In this video, we'll learn how to control LEDs by pressing specific buttons. The blocks for that can be found in the I/O block section and are labeled with when slot pressed and when slot released. Drag and drop when slot pressed block onto the drawing area. Inside this block, set another I/O block saying set LED slot 1 to on. Make sure that everything here is set to slot 1. Below this, you can put the when slot release block and add this block inside of it. When you press the push button of the first slot, the LED above it will turn on, and when you release it, it will turn off. Repeat this process for all the other slots. You can either drag and drop the blocks and copy what we did for the first slot, or you can duplicate the first 4 blocks. Make sure that you cover all of the slots, including the play-pause one. Take a look at our code to check if you've done it correctly. One thing you must not forget when coding anything with push buttons is to add the loop forever block and place the scan buttons block inside of it. That will ensure the program scans the button all the time, allowing your code to function properly. Add a sleep button at the end to make the program loop every 50 milliseconds. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to reach out to us if you need any help with coding, and see you in the next guide.